Hi guys, starting with benign migratory glossitis. This is very important topic from exam point of view. Another names are geographic tongue and psoriasiform mucositis. This is the inflammation of tongue which is multifocal in nature and patchy and irregular area of depapillation of tongue. जहाँ पे ये इन्फ्लामेशन होती है वहाँ पे depapillation हो जाती है of filiform papilla. Now this is the appearance of tongue, that's why it is known as geographic tongue. Like these are the white lines that are depicting the boundaries, and these are the red dots that are patchy and irregular. Now coming on to clinical features. Before starting with clinical features, I need to tell you in my comment section why it has constant changing pattern. Now coming on to clinical features, these are multiple and irregular and well demarcated. You can see it is having well demarcation. And now patchy erythematous areas, like this red dots, that is erythematous areas at dorsum of tongue. This is dorsum of tongue. Now where this happens is desquamation of filiform papilla occurs. There is completely absence of filiform papilla, but you can find circumvallate papilla, like on here you can find it. Now it is painless and asymptomatic condition which sometimes cause burning sensation or soreness. It is very rare, but it is mainly asymptomatic. But yes, you can see these lines on your tongue, that is geographic tongue. Now histopathology, here hyperkeratinization occur which causes loss of filiform papillae, and it has intercellular edema, accumulation of neutral polymorphs. Here you will see neutrophil polymorphism where the infection occurs, and the area is filled with mild inflammatory chronic infiltrate. Now it is present in connective tissue underlined. This MICI is present in connective tissue underlined, that is called Monro's abscess. Now the etiology, it is unknown, and stress can be the reason of this benign migratory glossitis, and treatment is not as such, but symptomatic treatment is there. When the patient is suffering from burning sensation or soreness, we can give him corticosteroid therapy, in which we will give prednisolone and topical antibiotics and antifungals to relieve the pain. Thank you. Happy studying.